channel. How are you doing today? Are you doing good? Are you not doing good? Let me know, because somebody will give you the behind you, period. So in today's video, y'all see I'm about to fly away with these lashes. But in today's video, as y'all can see, I need my hair done. Today I'll be working with a beautiful brand called Eullair hair. It came in this black box with the pink lettering. It says Eullair on the front and it says your best gift on the back. I am so excited for this video. Like, the hair is gorgeous. They sent me a pack of wig caps, as you guys can see, which is very helpful. And they sent me this beautiful unit, you guys. Look at this color. Yes, ma'am. This is absolutely stunning. It is a chestnut brown color. I have never done a color like this, so I'm kind of like... It is 22 inches, you guys. It is pretty long, so I'm pretty sure it is true to the length. It has 3 clips, 1 vertical and 2 horizontal, and it also has lace at the back that you could glue down and put your hair into a ponytail. It has the strap so you could pull it and make it as tight as your head needs it to be. And the best thing about this unit, you guys, is the parting space. Look at all of this parting space. It is a 13x4 parting space, so it gives you a lot of room to play around with this unit. You can do it up and down, you can do braids, you can do whatever your heart desires with this 13x4 parting space, as you guys can see. Like, look at this. Look at this lace, period, you guys. You can get a very good melt with this lace. Like, y'all, this chestnut color, I am like super excited. Okay guys, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to line our unit up and make sure we don't have to cut off our ear holes. This particular unit, I do need to cut off my ear holes. So now it lays perfectly where it should. Then I take my eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut my lace in half. Once I do that, I just take my 2 slices and I fold them right back. The whole process is really easy. So then you're going to take your Ghost Bond bowl hole gummy glue and you are going to put it in the front right where your hairline meets your wig cap. Once I have did that layer, I'm going to go in with a second one. This is completely optional. I always make sure I keep my bristle brush right on hand because this really helps with the install process. So once I apply the lace, I brush back. This just helps push the lace into the glue. Okay guys, so once you have applied your lace, now all you have to do is remove it. One more brush for security. Then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor and remove all of my excess lace. Oh! Guys, I'm going to go finish the finishing touches on this hair and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look as well as my final thoughts. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look using the Eullair hair chestnut brown 22 inches 180 density 13x4 frontal wig unit. And you guys, this color, so the details on this hair, it is 22 inches, which is very true because I'm kind of tall, so this is 22 inches on me, most definitely. Lace was so easy to work with. It was so easy to lay down. Everything was so smooth. It was not hard to pluck. It was not hard to customize at all. It is very thick and very full, so it is very much 180 density, and the parting space is absolutely gorgeous. If you are interested in getting this unit and getting this look, I will have the link in the description box. Make sure you guys go check Eullair hair out. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see from me. As y'all can see, I did some gray. I did some color for y'all. I'm trying to get into the color realm. I think I'm gonna try some bobs next, like some black bobs and some more curly. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. We got the mukbangs coming, we got the pranks coming, we got everything coming. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss none of my future uploads. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video.